So here we are, all done.
Today, I'm making one of my baby's favorite meals, salmon with sweet potato and peas. It's simple, nutritious, and a lovely combination they really enjoy. I'm starting with the sweet potatoes. I wash them, cut them into large pieces, peel them, wash them again, and soak them in water for a little bit before I put them in the pot. Then I boil them until they are really nice and soft.
It's actually nice.
Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. Asher and Gad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much, much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. Asher and Gad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time.
So here we are. My babies are gonna love it. It is actually one of their favorites. Hopefully you'll make it and see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.